Hello students. Now today we start our lesson number 8, the thorn of judgment. Here thorn means Rajgaddi and judgment means न्याय. So who makes a judgment in a court? Court में judgment कौन करता है? राजा. Have you heard about any great judge? क्या आपने कभी किसी बड़े जज के बारे में सुना है? So we get these answers in our lesson. So first I read the lesson for you. So listen it carefully. Vikramaditya was the famous king of Ujjain. He is regarded as one of the greatest judges of his time. No evildoer could ever escape punishment at his hands. He could decide even the most difficult cases wisely, but nothing is immortal. As the time passed, the king passed away and his palace lay in ruins. People almost forget him. The world knew nothing about the matter till an incident took place. One day, two shepherd boys were quarreling on something. Seeing this, a third boy did something strange. He climbed the top of a mound and declared that he was a judge. The quarreling boys put their case before him. The young judge listened to their argument and surprisingly passed a fair and wise judgment. When Raja Bhoj of Malwa heard about it, he dug the place and found a beautiful thorn of marble under the stones. It rested on the shoulders of 32 stone angels. Raja Bhoj wanted to achieve name and fame like Vikramaditya. So he fasted and prayed for 3 days and on the fourth day tried to sit on it. But one of the angels said to him, "Are you worthy of sitting on it? Did you never desire to conquer other kingdoms and rule over them?" The king said, "I have desired so and I am not worthy of sitting on the throne." The angel flew away after he advised the king to fast and pray for another 3 days. The king fasted and prayed for another 3 days and then came to sit on the throne. But then one more stone angel asked him, "O king, have you never desired to get another man's wealth?" The king said, "I have always done so. I am not worthy of sitting on this throne." "Then fast and pray for another 3 days," said the angel and flew away. In this way 96 days passed and during these days 31 of the angels came to interview the king. Each of them asked the king a question and every time the king said he was not worthy of sitting on Vikramaditya's throne. Now only one angel was left. The king thought this angel would let him sit on the throne. But the angel asked, "O king, is your heart as pure as the heart of the shepherd boy who sat on the mound? If it is so, you are worthy of sitting on Vikramaditya's throne." The king thought for a moment and then said, "No, it is not. I am not worthy of sitting on the throne of Vikramaditya." The angel heard the king's reply and flew away with the thorn of marble on his head. So students, this is the way of reading, how you read the lesson. So you have to practice it.